All right, so I got a Amsco vinyl sliding door. Came from BMC. There's the details on that, and it came with a standard screen on that. And then I had that. It got the boot tore this up, destroyed the screen. So I got pet screen. I did a little upgrade on it. Put some plexiglass on here, then do that because this is kind of like his zone where he really gets and tears up the screen on that, scratching on the door. And basically these are 1/2 inch number 6 self-tapping screws that a pilot drilled, pre-drilled a hole in there and put it in there. So it's very unobstructive. But when the guys that redid this at Ace Hardware redid the door handle, we have 3 screws that hold that in there. One of the 3 screws is for the handle. Handle goes in like that, and this slides up and down. Well, they didn't put the one that has the tip, the machine thread off of it. So basically, you got 2 that got like a sheet metal screw head, and they got one that's flat. That's the one that goes into the handle. They put the other one in there, and you can kind of see where that kind of pressed out on that a little bit. So the lock wouldn't slide, wouldn't work. So we'll change that out pretty easy, and hopefully our upgraded door will be hold up to boo.